amazing! It's time to fuel. Timber loader. Keep it up. Now we can remove the wood from the plot. Tap the screen to keep building. Now you try. Tap the screen to make the machines continue building. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. Let's shift into gear to start moving. The crossing gate is closed. We have to wait for the train to pass. Move the gearbox lever. Choose the next game. Tap on the car wash to wash the vehicle. We need to wash. Timber loader. Let's start foaming the machine. Clean the dirt off the machine with a brush. Now you try. Now let's wash off the rest of the foam. Go on. We did it! We did it!